Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple hardware causes. Replace or recharge batteries and use fresh cells so click voltage is stable. Once done, power cycle the mouse, switch off for 5 seconds, then on, watch the LED for pairing cues. Make sure you're close to the receiver, within about 3 feet, and temporarily disable other Bluetooth radios to reduce interference. This prevents misinterpreted click signals. These steps force a stable power and radio environment before deeper configuration changes. Next, you remove the software layer, unpair the mouse from your device, and reboot the host to clear driver state. Then perform the mouse's hardware reset. Hold the pairing button 8 to 10 seconds until the LED flashes fast to clear internal settings. After reboot, pair it as a new device and do not pair additional mice or keyboards at the same time. Test the left click immediately in a simple app. This isolates whether the reset fixed the click registration at the OS input level. Finally, address drivers and firmware. Update or reinstall your Bluetooth stack and human interface device drivers using Device Manager or System Update tools, because corrupted drivers can drop left-click events. Then run the manufacturer's firmware tool and apply any updates. Firmware fixes button debounce and signal logic. If the issue remains, try a different receiver or test the mouse on another computer to decide if it's a hardware fault. One key troubleshooting tip: if clicks work on another host, replace the mouse. Internal switch where is likely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.